Hello, good morning to all of you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sorry, naglagay ako ng lipstick. Ginawa ko lang po itong video to for today kasi today is a very special occasion. This is to all the mothers, to all the mother out there. To all the mother out there, happy Mother's Day. To my beloved inang and to all my Facebook friends, sa lahat ng mga ina, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And I'm so blessed and thankful that I have my mom who is really very strong. And minsan nagkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, di pagkakaunawaan, pero you know, I miss my inang. I miss so touching, naiyak naman ako pag pinag-uusapan ng ina. Kaya po, to everyone out there, mahalin po natin ang ating ina hanggang sila buhay pa. Mahalin po natin sila hanggang sila malakas pa. Kasi kahit anong sama ng anak, kahit ano pa man, ang ina nandiyan pa rin eh. Kaya po napakaswerte po nating lahat dahil meron po tayong ina na nagmamahal sa atin, nakakaunawa at laging nakakaintindi. Sorry, kumakain po ako ng nagiging basta pinag-uusapan ng ina, naiiyak ako kasi namimiss ko yung ina ko. Kahit I know matanda na yung nanay ko, meron kaming minsan nagkakaunawa, hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, lalo na pagdating sa pera. Oh my God, my mom, she always get mad if she doesn't have money. Kalaban niya ang buong mundo. Pero naintindihan ko, yun na lang din yung kaligayahan niya, binibigay ko. And as a daughter and a son, at the same time, para sa kanya, son niya pa rin ako. Hindi pa rin niya nawawala. And thank you so much, inang, for accepting me, for loving me. I love you so much. I miss you. And to my sister, thank you. Sa lahat ng mga pamangking ko, Joy Beth, I know your mom. Maraming salamat din. Mahalin niyo mabuti yung mga anak. And to all the mothers in the world, bawa ko sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. I miss you, inang, and I know proud na proud ka of who I am today. And sa lahat ng mga anak na katulad ko, yakapin niyo ang inyong ina at huwag kayong mag-atubili na o mahiya na sabihin sa kanilang I love you every day, every minute of the day, because minsan lang tayo mabubuhay sa mundo. And mahalin natin sila, alagaan. Thank you so much. Sorry, I got emotional. And to all the mothers in the world, again, happy Mother's Day. And I'm so proud of you, to all mothers in the world. Thank you so much. Thank you.